Hi, this is Bob from WAMS Tech, and I'm going to show you today how to link your Semester 2 classes. The first thing we'll need to do is unlink Semester 1 and then link Semester 2 rosters. And these are the rosters that IT has set up for you at the beginning of the year. The reason why we need to set up Semester 2 is because if you have any adds or drops to your roster, IT is going to be manipulating the Semester 2 rosters, not the Semester 1s, which means any changes will not be reflected in your current roster. To do this, after signing into PowerSchool Learning, go to the My Classes tab, not this My Classes tab, but the one in the middle here next to My Portal, and you should see a list of your classes. And we'll do this class by class. So I'll start with my first class, and there's a drop-down menu here for Manage Class. I'll select it, and then go to Roster. And then we need to manage this section. So within this class, we also have our different sections. So we have to go section by section as well. And so this process may take you 10, 15 minutes or so. All you have to do is go to your first section, and you see that it's linked right now to the first semester. So I have to come over here to Manage Sections. Here's the linked class. I have to now select Unlink. I'll select Continue. I should still have that section available to me, so I still have section E, but now I see that there are no students in this section. The next thing I'll have to do is now import my students. Now by default, you should have a blank section here, and you want to now search for your classes for this section. To do so, select the Only List My Classes checkbox, and then select this current school year. Then select Search. So again, list only my classes, and then the full school year, not S2, but the full school year. Search. And now you should see all of your classes. Now this particular teacher only has one class and one section of that class, but you should see all of the classes with all of the sections you have available for this school year. So right now we're working with section E. So under the code, we want to find section E. I see I have two classes. These represent two rosters. I see that this one is 3110 and 3111. Your numbers will vary, but these two numbers related to section E are going to be have a difference of only one digit, right? So the one that's higher, 1, is higher than 0. So 1 represents semester 2, and this 0, since it's one digit beforehand, represents semester 1. So this is the one we had imported. Now we want to import semester 2. So again, I'm going to find E, here's E, and I'm going to find the one that's higher, 3111 is higher than 3110, and I'm going to import that class. Again, make sure that it's linked, not a one-time import, but linked. Hit continue. These are all the students are now going to be linked to this PowerSchool Learning class. Select import student. And once this is wrapped up, you should see that now these students are now linked. You can verify by hovering over. All right, I now see that's 3111 rather than the 3110. Okay. And then you're going to repeat that for your other sections for this particular class. And after you've completed all the sections for this class, you can close out and then go on to your next class. So again, next to My Portal, you have My Classes, and then go on to the next class, Roster, and repeat the process until all of your sections have been completed. Again, this process may take anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how fast you can click and how fast you can find your classes. If you need any one-on-one assistance or have any questions or comments, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. Thanks for watching.